Went versus have gone master this English grammar forever. Hello everyone. Welcome back to the channel. Have you ever said, I have gone to school yesterday? Or maybe, I went to London many times. If yes, don't worry. These are two of the most common grammar mistakes English learners make. Today's lesson will help you understand the difference between I went and I have gone. By the end of this video, you'll know when to use past simple, when to use present perfect, common mistakes to avoid, easy memory tricks, lots of real-life examples, a quiz to test yourself. Let's begin. Part 1. The basic difference. The biggest difference is time. I went past simple. We use went for an action that happened at a finished time in the past. The time is over. Examples. I went to school yesterday. I went to Paris last year. I went to the supermarket this morning. If the morning is finished. Notice the time expressions. Yesterday. Last week. Last month. In 2023. 2 days ago. These all describe finished time. I have gone. Present perfect. Now let's look at have gone. We use have gone when someone has gone somewhere and is still there. The person has not returned yet. Examples. Sarah has gone to the bank. She is still at the bank. My father has gone to work. He is still at work. They have gone to the airport. They are still there. The action is connected to the present. Part 2. Imagine this situation. Imagine your friend asks, "Where is Tom?" You answer, "Tom has gone to the supermarket." This means Tom left. Tom is at the supermarket now. He hasn't come back. Now imagine Tom comes home. Someone asks again, "Where did Tom go this morning?" Now you say, "Tom went to the supermarket." Now the action is finished. He went. He came back. Part 3. Gone versus been. Many learners confuse these words. Look carefully. Have gone means the person is still there. Example, Emma has gone to Japan. She is in Japan now. Have been means the person went there and came back. Example, Emma has been to Japan. She visited Japan. Now she is back home. Easy trick. Gone, still away. Been already returned. Part 4. Timeline. Let's imagine today's Friday. Yesterday you visited your grandmother. Today someone asks, "When did you visit your grandmother?" You answer, "I went yesterday." Correct. But imagine your grandmother asks, "Where is your brother?" You answer, "He has gone to the market. He hasn't returned yet." Part 5. Time expressions. Use went with yesterday, last week, last year, 2 days ago, in 2022. This morning, if it's finished. Examples. I went there yesterday. She went home last night. We went to the beach 2 weeks ago. And use have gone without finished time. Examples. She has gone shopping. They have gone home. My parents have gone to church. Notice. No yesterday. No last week. No ago. Me. Part 6. Common mistakes. Mistake 1. I have gone there yesterday. Correct. I went there yesterday. But, Take 2. She has gone to London last year. Correct. She went to London last year. Mistake 3. My father went to work. If he is still working now, say, my father has gone to work. But, Mistake 4. She has been to the office. If she is still there, she has gone to the office. Part 7. Everyday conversations. Conversation 1. Where's Anna? She's gone to the doctor. Conversation 2. Did you travel last summer? Yes, I went to Kenya. Conversation 3. Have you ever been to Italy? Yes, I have been there twice. Conversation 4. Where's James? He's gone to the gym. Conversation 5. When did you buy this phone? I bought it last month. Not, I have bought it last month. Part 8. Easy memory tricks. Remember these rules. Rule 1. Finished time. Use went. Yesterday. Last year. 2 hours ago. Rule 2. Still away. Use has gone. Rule 3. Visited and returned. Use have been. Part 9. Mini quiz. Question 1. I to school yesterday. A. Have gone. Went. Answer. B. Went. Question 2. My mother isn't home. She to the market. Answer. Has gone. Question 3. I to Dubai 3 times. Answer. Have been. Question 4. We to the zoo last Sunday. Answer. Went. Question 5. Where is David? He to the hospital. Answer. Has gone. Excellent. In Part 10. Speaking practice. Repeat after me. I went to school yesterday. I went shopping last weekend. She has gone to work. They have gone home. My brother has gone to the bank. I have been to London twice. She has been to Canada. Practice speaking slowly. Then say the sentences faster. This will improve both grammar and pronunciation. Part 11. Final summary. Remember these 3 simple rules. I went. Finish past action. Example. I went to school yesterday. I have gone. Someone left and is still there. Example. She has gone to work. I have been. Went there and came back. Example. I have been to London twice. Master these 3 patterns, and your English will sound much more natural. If this lesson helped you, please like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss a new English lesson. In the comments below, write 1 sentence using I went and another sentence using I have gone. I'll read your examples and give feedback. Thanks for watching, keep practicing every day, and I'll see you in the next English lesson. Goodbye.